beautiful people. The Farrier Trails here. It is Thursday, day 2 of our Pigeon Forge Dollywood trip. I'm here with Brooks, and we're trying to figure out what we're supposed to do today. I know Go-Karts is on the list.
Swimming is on the list.
Yeah, swimming is on the list here at the hotel. Milo, what else is on the list? You have that?
I got diamond. We have this, and we have this.
You got that? Okay. So
Yeah, we're definitely going to Dollywood.
Might go to Dollywood for some cinnamon bread, pick up some stuff. You know, we're so excited to go to the pool. All right, hold on. Let me leave the door open. Looks cool.
And I want to go downstairs. Then what?
Let me turn the bubbles on.
No.
No bubbles.
Yes.
Yes, bubbles.
Yes.
Or do you want it like that? Is it warm?
I want it white ball.
You want bubbles? Do you like the bubbles? Is your bike getting it? That's funny, Milo.
Yeah.
So me and Brooks are about to go ride some go-karts here. It's like a little family thing here. So gonna see how much it is to ride some go-karts. Mila and Mama's gonna ride some kiddie rides. And yeah. There's an elevated track. This is gonna be fun. It'd be nice if they did unlimited rides. Oh.
At Go-Karts.
We're at go-karts.
Yeah, trying to race.
You ready to race?
Yeah, seeing if we can win.
Are you ready to have fun?
Yes. We're not 54. I am 47.
I think. Ready, Brooke? All right, here we go. All right, Brooke, here we go. Well, me and Brooks came in third, so it was actually a good track. A lot of bumps. My butt hurts. It really does. But yeah, overall, we really enjoyed it. Really fast.
Car she picked.
Really fast. Really fast.
Look who she picked.
Aw, Bass
That
Pro.
thing was wild.
So, Brooks is with Hannah, and I got Mila. So this is going to be Mila's first go-kart experience. So, come in, Mila. This is going to be actually pretty fun. It's actually a big race track on this one. So, here we go. Milo, you ready? Ready to drive? Milo, you ready? All right, Milo's ready to drive, so let's go. Her first time ever being on a go-kart, so it's gonna be fun. Here we go, Milo. that, Mila? That was good? Yeah. You look like you enjoyed it.
Yeah.
We came in second. We had another lap, but we came in first. So our final ride for go-karts will be me and Brooke again. So. Whoa, Brooke! Oh! Did you get wet? Ready? All right, we're first place. We won, buddy.
You're right, come to an end.
We won.
Slow down. Into the pit area.
That's the victory walk right there. Look at him. He's a winner. All right. I believe that.
I'm not even scared.
Hey, Mila.
Hey, Brooke, she said.
Good day?
Yeah. How are you?
Yeah. Me and Mila came in second, and me and Brooks came in first. Man, look at Brooks. Mila? So, we rode go-karts, rode rides, and that was fun. I enjoyed that a lot. I know the kids enjoyed it a lot too.
Guys, look.
Mila,
Hey, look. Daniel.
it's Ferris wheel.
Yeah.
Mila, look at me. What are you doing?
What are you doing? Are you riding in Cinderella's carriage?
Yeah.
You having fun? There's an arcade.